Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make easy banana bread. First, gather your ingredients. 3 to 4 very ripe bananas, all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, eggs, and unsalted butter. Make sure your bananas have plenty of brown spots for the best flavor. Also, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit now, so it's ready when your batter is mixed. Next, let's get mixing. In a large bowl, thoroughly mash your 3 to 4 ripe bananas until mostly smooth. In a separate bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients. 1 and 1/2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Then, combine your mashed bananas, 1/2 cup of melted butter, 2 eggs, and 3/4 cup of sugar with the dry mixture. Now it's time to bake. Carefully pour your prepared banana bread batter into a greased 9 by 5-inch loaf pan. Place it in your preheated oven and bake for approximately 55 to 65 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center of the loaf. If it comes out clean, your delicious banana bread is ready. Almost there. Once baked, let your banana bread cool in the loaf pan for about 10 minutes. This helps it set and makes it easier to remove. After 10 minutes, carefully transfer the loaf to a wire rack to cool completely. Once cooled, slice it up and enjoy your wonderfully easy, homemade banana bread. It's perfect for any time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.